Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of Symmetry. This is 7th question of its exercise 13.2. So the question says that consider the letters of English alphabets A to Z, list among them the letters which have vertical lines of symmetry, horizontal lines of symmetry, C, no lines of symmetry. So part A is vertical lines of symmetry. So we're gonna like A. So in alphabet A, it is symmetric about vertical line. Alphabet H is symmetric about vertical line. I is also symmetric about vertical line. So alphabets symmetric about vertical lines are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, and Y. Then part B is horizontal lines of symmetry. So I'm given a like B. So B is symmetric about horizontal line. C is also symmetric about horizontal line. D is also symmetric about horizontal line. So the alphabets about symmetric about horizontal line is B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, and X. Part C, the alphabets which have no lines of symmetry. So alphabets like Q, F, R have no lines of symmetry. So alphabets which has no lines of symmetry are F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S, and Z. So these are the alphabets which has no lines of symmetry. Thank you.